Hi friends, myself SOHAM Ramnani.
And myself, Roma Ramnani.
Welcome to Roma Arts.
Discover a talent in you. Hi friends, welcome to Roma Arts. I Roma Ramnani. I'm going to teach you today an endless card. I'm going to teach you an endless card. You can say a never-ending card. It's love, ever, hurt, never, and again it will come love, ever, hurt, never. So for this the material required is 4 square papers and 4 hearts. I'll take maroon and pink, and for hearts I'll take red, and you need a pencil, marker, scissor, glue and some stones for sticking like this, or you can use Carft flowers too. So we'll start. Take the square paper and cut it into 2 halves. So I have cut this because I put the 2 halves. The square paper into 2 halves, and this is the last one. Start folding. After folding, you have to open it. You will get a checkered shape. All the papers will be folded. So I have taken the paper vertical. The gluing method is we have to apply glue. The first gluing method is we have to apply glue on the 4 corners of the paper. The paper has, I'm using the paper vertical, so I'll use this maroon paper horizontal. So on vertical paper you have to stick a horizontal paper. You have to hold till it sticks. You need at least 10 seconds to dry. The glue will dry within 10 seconds. Now, after the glue is dried, open the card this way. Open the doors of the card. When you open the doors of the card, the paper is double here. So push this paper behind. You have to push the paper behind. So I'll turn it and take it behind. And then I'll open it. So I'll start with the second gluing method. I'll repeat the first gluing method. I applied glue on the 4 edges. So my first gluing method I have repeated. Now for the second, I'll apply glue here on the big square. Now I'll take 2 pink papers and I'll check behind if my cut is vertical. My cut is vertical, I'll use the paper horizontal. I'll check behind. My cut is vertical, so I'll use it horizontal. So again we have to open the doors this way. I have to wait, still my glue has not been dried. and I'll push this underneath because the paper is being double. So I'll take it this way and so for my third gluing method, first I'll apply the glue on the 4 edges. My first gluing method was 4 corners of the paper, and my second gluing method was with 4 corners, the big square. Now for the third, we'll cover the whole thing. But it has a pointed sharp edge. So now these 2 papers are remaining. First we'll check. Now it's vertical. The paper has been kept vertical behind, so I'll use horizontal. You have to keep on checking the paper behind whether it is vertical or not before sticking. Otherwise your card will be blocked and it will not open it. So please check and then stick. So let it dry. Till then we'll stick these hearts. I have cut 4 hearts according to the paper size. So on vertical we'll stick vertical heart. See the vertical cut, we'll stick vertical. I'll cut the heart. After you have started sticking the heart, you don't have to move your card this way or this way. You have to keep in one position and open the second layer. Now from vertical you have to the horizontal heart. So I'll stick this horizontal. I have folded it into 2 halves. So I'll cut the so you can put the message as you want, like I have put love ever, hurt never. You can put the message as you want in this part, and it will open like this. And you can decorate in your own methods also.